Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is able to hear me and everyone is able to see my screen. If possible, can someone please confirm if you are able to hear me clearly and able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Mr. Devendra, you are there? Mr. Devendra. I'm talking to you, man. Mr. Devendra, are you there?
Yes, I am there.
Okay, you mentioned you have issues. Can you share your screen?
Okay.
Are you ready or it will take time?
No, it is ready.
Okay, let me share. Let me give an option. Yeah.
Mm, Here are these are the application microservices here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the microservices. So I tried yesterday, but it is not working. So just try once again.
First of all, your voice is very not able to hear clearly.
No,
Can you adjust your mic?
I tried yesterday, but it was not working.
Which microservice is not working?
No, these are all that one that code you shared last time. So it is not working.
Sir, first of all, I hardly able to hear your voice. And I asked a question, which microservice is not working?
No, when I try to send the request, I am not getting response.
Let me ask the same question again. You'll start the microservices one by one, right?
Yes.
All are running or anyone is giving error?
No, all are running, but once I send the request through that postman, it is not giving me the output.
All are running. Can you try now? Can you try from service register first? All are running. Did you verify the? Okay.
Yes.
One second. Let it run. 1 second. Wait. One by one you need to run. Let service register is out. Why that is a?
It is running. Okay.
Now start gateway. Wait. Let it run. Can you type browser? Can you go to browser? Yeah. I'm not able to see your screen. Only Eclipse I'm seeing.
Yes, I'm seeing the Eclipse only. In browser, it is not visible. Okay. Okay, let me share the entire screen, entire window. Okay.
Yes.
Now it is showing the individual screens only. Hello?
It is not showing all the things.
No, it is showing that individual screens. How to the Windows, how can
You are not getting an option to share the entire screen.
no,
No screen. You have an option screen easily. First option itself, screen.
अच्छा. Got it. So I'll,
Localhost 8761. Yes, gateway is running now. Next, okay. Cloud config. Can you start cloud config?
is now okay.
Yeah. Next, go to payment service.
Then order service, right?
Wait, let it wait. Go to the browser 8761.
Is running.
Yes. Now order service.
Okay.
Yeah. Open Postman now. Everything is working.
This one, right? Hello?
Yeah.
Localhost
Order,
8
book order.
order book order. The body I tried yesterday. It is the body, right?
Anything you can give. Yes.
Request body, right?
Yeah.
So
The type of the body should be application object related. We are sending it in text format.
It is in text format. In the Postman, yes.
JSON.
JSON. Hmm.
Now
No,
hit
I
enter.
tried. It is not working. Oh, okay. Okay.
So it's a simple thing. Okay. Just to try it once. Whenever you are not getting the output for the first time, you should just experiment it, right? So that your skills will be improved. Correct, right? So whenever you get an output, when definitely everyone will get error. You can ask at any time. Everyone will get error actually. The only skill will come only is what is the error, why the error, what is the mistake you are doing, and you can troubleshoot yourself. Correct, right? It's my
Yes, sir,
suggestion, but you can.
I have one
Yeah.
more problem also. After the class, I will discuss. Okay. I was trying that circuit breaker pattern yesterday, but
But I didn't explain, right?
I was just trying that one.
Yeah. First of all, after I explain, you can try. I didn't explain. I only explained theory part of it. Okay. Today I'm going to explain hands on. Okay. First, let me explain. Let me show you. Then you can try. And if you're not getting, okay. Yeah. Okay. You can stop your share screen. Yeah. Yep. And related to the communication. Okay. So I want to get a clarity here, guys. So the first point is in the Sunday class. Okay. Whenever there is a Sunday class is there. So I got late notice that they have a one more class at that time because I thought that everyone will be free. I mean, a Sunday, right? That's why I didn't check the perfectly. And I verified late. That's why there is a late message. As long as I get a message, okay, I sent it. And yesterday, I think on Ugadi festival, right? Normally expects that every institute will get holiday, but it's a surprise for me that Ashok IT doesn't have holiday. And I updated in advance actually. And someone asking me in WhatsApp group. So WhatsApp groups are all people, lot of people are there. Sir. It's not that people who join, who people didn't join. And if we communicate this Google Classroom, right, it will trigger an email for you. Automatically email come for you. And I mentioned in the beginning of the class, Google Classroom is the communication for any further stuff. Okay. If we have an idea about tomorrow's things, definitely we will give a prior communication. Okay. Sometimes, right, you may sometimes we may have some kind of surprises at last moment, and I'm trying my level best. Okay, before you come to the class, you have a clarity. Before you come to the class, you have a clarity. But for example, in the morning, if I have some kind of conflict, okay, till now whatever the classes I've taken, I'm updating properly only one time, that is a Sunday class. Okay. That too late night, I got a communication. It's not that intentionally I don't want to do that actually because everyone is professional. So whenever I got a communication, immediately I'm posting. Just I'm making sure that this communication will help you joining into the class and getting know that faculty is not there, institute class is not there. I'm not going to that way. So there are two instances where Sunday class, which is a conflict class is there, which I got to know late night. Okay. And Ugadi festival, I updated. But someone asking you in WhatsApp group, there is no WhatsApp groups, are only Google communication. Google Classroom is the main communication and will trigger an email for you. It will trigger an email for you. Whenever you got, nowadays, everyone is using smartphone and your Gmail is linked. Automatically, whenever a communication is happened, you'll get an automatic email. Like WhatsApp, it will get an automatic email. And I hope that is the only way where we can communicate. Okay, this is what my perspective related to communication on a holidays. I mean, when class is not there. Okay, any perspective, anyone? Okay, then
Hello.
we'll
Sir,
go.
just now I joined. What you explained, sir?
Yeah, the communication related to whenever we don't have a class, right, sir? Currently, I'm using a communication like Google Classroom. So
Okay.
there is a comment that update in the WhatsApp group as well as update in advance. Okay, that's what I explained, saying that Google Classroom, which will trigger an automatic email. You no need to do anything. Whenever we send some communication, it will trigger an automatic email. And nowadays, everyone is using smartphone. You will get automatically Gmail. Whenever you get a mail, right, you will automatically get notified. You no need to go to specifically checking email also, right? And advanced in the sense, I'm trying my level best in giving a communication at very advanced. Only in the last Sunday class, it happened because I came to know it late moment, because I thought that Sunday no one will have, but at the time, the same time with the same meeting, there is a one more class. So that's why I cancelled it the late. And yesterday, I think I have given a proper, I mean, at least minimum 12 hours before I'm giving. Okay. But whenever we will get a chance, I'll update at the earliest. But my making sure that before joining to the class, a lot of people coming to the class, then after getting class is not there. That is not a right way, right? That's what I'm communicating through proper channel, and at time also. I'm trying my level best to provide within 12 hours before. At least 12 hours before I'll communicate. That's what I'm assuring. But sometimes in a very rare scenario, it may, if I mean, it's not intention that I already know that, but I'm not coming. Whenever I got a communication, I'm posting in the classroom immediately. Okay. So this is what I explained. Right. Okay. Let me go to the further, guys. I already okay. Now I explain. Before that, any questions from anyone, guys? Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to gateway. So what I explained yesterday is gateway is the microservice which I am taking. Gateway is the microservice which I am taking as a fallback. Gateway is a microservice which I am taking as a fallback. Okay. So what exactly a fallback is? I don't have major logic. I don't have a major logic in case of fallback. So rather than creating a dedicated microservice, for that, okay, I'm just planning to take as a gateway as a fallback. Why? Because gateway itself redirected to actual API, right? It will discover Eureka registry and it will call that, right, sir? It will discover Eureka and it will call that, right? In the same way, gateway I am getting here and I'm just communicating here. Okay. So I wrote a fallback in the pom.xml in the gateway. Okay. In the gateway pom.xml, I added a actuator dependency, which will does a health check automatically. Okay. And that's it. I hope only that I mean, that's the only point here. Actuator is a dependency, which I need to do a continuous health check. Okay. And what I have done is I wrote a I mean, history dashboard, I don't know. Okay. I wrote a fallback controller. Okay. This is a fallback. This is typically a fallback controller. Okay. Where I mention order fallback as well as payment fallback. 1 second. By default, it is going to trigger a order fallback as well as payment fallback, because I have two microservices, right? So I wrote two fallback APIs here. Okay. Order fallback as well as payment fallback. So by default, is it a right practice? Okay. Is it a right practice? Yes. Why not? When order service is down, it will give a, when order service is down, it will call a order fallback. When payment service is down, I am going to give a payment fallback. Okay. So in case of order fallback or a payment fallback, where I'm going to trigger this particular gateway, which is I have an alternate logic here. Typically, I have an alternate logic. Order service taking too long to respond or it's down. Just I'm giving please try again later. Payment service is taking more long to respond. It's try again later. So mono is a stream of events. Okay. It's a Spring Boot reactive, something like where if any subscriber, subscribing to this event, it will post the communication, some kind of asynchronous communication. That's a mono, just nothing to worry here. So where I'm giving order service is taking long time to respond, or payment service is giving long time to respond, and order fallback and payment fallback. This I am configure. Okay. In case of application.yml file, here filter for this particular order service, filter circuit breaker. Okay. Where the name of the service, for which service you want to do order service, fallback URL is forward to order fallback. The name it's matching. This name should exactly match with this name. Okay. Just I added, this is a section, guys, filters, circuit breaker, order service, fallback URL is forward order / fallback, and payment service, and which is a load, this is, and filter circuit breaker, which is a predefined keyword. Circuit breaker is a predefined keyword, and payment service, payment fallback. Okay. And by default, sir, this is the historic stream. I'll explain this soon. Okay. So we'd have a historic dashboard. Actually, it doesn't have any significance. But I'll explain here. Just like if you want to have a historics, what is that you need to do here? Just like you need to write a fallback controller with some endpoint, and you need to have directly here. This is a fallback, and this is a fallback. Circuit breaker fallback, and order fallback, or a payment fallback. Just like we will configure like here, so that it will be making this is a happening here. That's it here. We don't have any other things here. Okay. Whatever I explained completely in and out of the circuit breaker, guys, I think it's a good time for go for execution. Can we go to execution? This historic stream, I'll explain. Slowly I'll explain here. After that, not now. Okay. Now I'm going to execute the code, guys, here. So let me start. Service registry. Guys, whenever you are starting a microservice, right? Just wait till it is started or not. You'll see a confirmation. I'll explain here. Now I'm starting service registry, right? Right. You saw here, it is started. Right. It's started. Right. Next, I am talking gateway. Oh, You have a problem in gateway.
It is showing an exception permanent excellent, sir.
Unable to find gateway filter factory with name circuit breaker. Okay. I did a small change here. Let me go here. Let me try again. Service registry. Sometimes it will not recognize. Yeah, it started. Let me start gateway. Cloud gateway. Why? Stick jar is missing.
Sir, in cloud gateway permanent XML, it is showing Xmas.
Yeah,
Permanent XML.
sometimes it will show, sir. Sometimes it will show, but doesn't mean, sir.
Sir,
Some
can you please move an update or refresh
that's
that
what
one?
that's what I mean. Okay, this jar is not telling.
Then you can move and clean and install. Do that one, sir.
That's what I'm doing here.
Move and clean and install.
Cloud gateway. It is not able to clean also.
Sir, it is showing duplicate declarations of your code.
What is that?
Duplicate declaration. Spring Cloud Starter. It is declared 2 times. Line number 46.
Let me go to line number 36.
46.
You mean to say 2 times it is there?
That's what he's telling. Please go there, sir.
So, sir, it is there on line number 29 and it is there on line number 48. 29 and 38.
Dependence.
33 we have. One more.
Let's see. Okay, anyhow, we don't require as of now this one. As of now, we don't require this.
Sir, not that. On line number 29, Spring Cloud Starter concept, that is also
Mm-hmm.
present in line number 48.
Yeah,
48.
you declare 2 times Spring Cloud Starter config.
Okay. But it's not showing that error, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
sir,
We'll see now.
actually, for streaks,
We'll see that.
for streaks,
We'll see
Spring
that.
3,
We'll see this. Yeah, we'll see that. Let me remove this.
yeah, it is not supported for streaks 3.2.3 Spring Boot. It will, their new uh, upgradation is there, migration, jar file.
I remove that. Let me. Okay. As of now, let me remove this. Actually, I'll verify before start of the before that. Actually, I'll verify this. Okay. So let me run here. It was working. Just like yesterday night, I verified everything is working.
Oh,
It's not that blindly. Yeah, I'll verify and I'll come to the class so that I will not waste the time here. That is I usually follow,
yeah,
but
yeah.
I don't know why this crazy guy.
Maybe we want to know, we want to getting this error, then only some people will learn. Correct.
It's not like that, but I mean, it's not right. I mean, it's waste of time, right? Troubleshooting the project, and everyone is involved here, right? It's something like that sort of.
Okay, sir, no problem.
What is? I started this, not this one. Service registry. Where I have a cloud gateway. Localhost colon 8761. Why it is starting this? Mhm. Able to with circuit breaker. Gateway filter with the name circuit breaker. Okay. Let me
At the
Google.
controller, sir, at the controller, we have to mention address circuit breaker. No, is it not needed?
By default, sir, it will automatically take care. We no need to worry actually. The rate of circuit breaker. It will automatically take care. It is part of that actually. Just like I added enable histories. Yesterday it worked, man. That's the point here. Yesterday night I checked and everything is working. We'll see here. Yesterday night it worked and I saw that and it is correct. What's telling? They need to add a resiliency 4J. Spring Cloud Start Gateway, Netflix. Let me add this. We'll see this. They're asking me to do that. So here, yesterday to night today, what is okay? Let me, if I comment this, Cloud Starter Gateway. Let me keep it here. After the resilient Netflix histories. On circuit breaker, they keep on changing. I don't know what's the problem here, but
Sir, which version you are using, sir? Spring Boot
3.0.5.
3.0.5 means
Yeah.
they upgraded, sir. This I that in dot.
Mhm.
Yeah, please Google. Yeah, wait, sir. I'm going to Google supporting
No, no,
sticks. Sorry. I recently I've upgraded that work I done for my current project.
one second. No, yesterday night it worked. That's the main point here. Yesterday night it worked. Same code. Okay, we'll see now. We'll see now. Is that not the same code? We'll see. Not find the artifact. I commented this guy also. You comment. The problem with my 1 second. Whichever running is the same which I ran yesterday. Some 1 second, guys. Ideally, it should go to perform fallback and it should work actually. What is the problem here? somehow Spring Boot, these dependencies, right? They don't have a backward portability, especially on some of the components. So we'll have a nightmares whenever there is a change.
Sir,
We need to make sure, yeah.
Spring hyphen cloud hyphen starter circuit breaker, not refactor. There is no refactor. Resiliency 4G only.
Just know they mentioned, right?
There is no refactor, sir. No, you have to start.io.spring.io. Then you will give
They
circuit
only
breaker.
mentioned Spring Cloud Starter, Circuit Breaker, Reactor, not Refactor. Reactor resiliency forge.
There is no reactor here. It's showing in Spring Boot starter live.
But it should not give error, right? It's not. First of all, resiliency 4G is a separate topic. Strict is we don't need this dependency actually. Maybe we are adding the dependency and we are. Let me delete this target guy. Let me clean this. Let me clean this guy. Okay. Invalid target release. Version compatibility came now. We need to clean everything now because there's a version compatibility came now. Okay, maybe I'll get back to you, sir. Okay, I think it's a somehow I need to spend 1 hour on this. Then I need to resolve this. But idea is, yeah, but I'll show you the execution part is. Idea is, I will stop intentionally order service or I'll stop intentionally payment service. Okay, I'll stop intentionally either order service, I'll stop intentionally payment service. What happens is, it will not go to the order service at all. It will automatically hit this, which is our fallback controller. It is going to hit this Order service is taking too long to respond. Please try again later. Okay. Yeah. We'll see. I'll add that. Okay. I'll resolve this. Yesterday night it worked, sir. I don't know what is the problem. Yesterday night also before starting the class, everything is working. I don't know what is the problem here. Yeah. So, but I'll check. I saw that, sir. I'll check it.
Okay.
I saw that. Okay. I don't want to add a lot of things here because I saw clearly a version compatibility issue. I don't know there is a version. Okay. So I need to clean up everything now. All the things I need to clean up. I need to start it once again. So these are the things, guys. It's a big problem with Spring Boot. Okay. Sometimes if there is a
I have one doubt here.
Sir,
I just
let me complete, sir. Sir, let me complete, sir. Okay, I'll take questions. Okay. So these problems, right, in real time, whenever there is a change in backward compatibility or any kind of things, right? Now, I just downgraded to some of the jar. It is clearly telling me that my registry is in one version, gateway is another version. Again, I need to clean up the registry. So what exactly my suggestion here is, okay, whenever you change anything, not only that project, all the dependent projects will be impacted. That's what they mentioned with reactive programming. They are going to resolve this, but it's not resolved. In Spring Boot 3.0, that is the main release. That is the main topic of reactive programming is automatically the backward compatibility should work. But somehow, especially this is a lot of cases, it's failing. Okay. So what is the point I want to mention is whenever you face any issues like this, right? Just like you need to clean up all the projects, dependent projects. In my case, registry, breaker, config, and also histories. If I create a histories, these are the things I need to set it up. Okay. I think one time we need to set it up, but after that it will work actually. But what I'll do is I'll spend today some time and I'll make sure that I'll get it up. Okay. And I'll explain tomorrow. And we'll also see the resiliency 4G also tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Devendra, go ahead, please. Mr. Devendra, you're talking something. Please go ahead. I hope you're able to hear me, right?
Yes. I just want to share my screen here. Okay. So
what is it actually?
So here I just created one application for circuit
Sir,
breaker.
anything, sir. I'm a little bit hot stuff, sir. Okay. So
I
you have anything, right?
I just created one sample code for that circuit breaker button, but it is
Sir,
not.
first of all, listen, sir, please. Let me explain circuit breaker. I'm not sure what is the problem. Let me complete my execution. I told clearly in the beginning. Let me first show the circuit breaker. I'll show you hands-on. Okay. And if you have any project related things, right, you can post in the Google Classroom. Whenever I'll get a time, I'll check it. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow, guys. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. Thank you all.